Okay, this problem is asking us to compare two functions. It's giving us one f of x in the graph, and it's giving us one g of x in a table. And then it's asking us to select whether each statement is true or false about the functions. Okay, I'm going to zoom in a little bit here. Okay, the first statement. The minimum x value of f of x is greater than the minimum x value of g of x. Okay, the minimum x value of g of x, the minimum is here. Whereas in the graph of f of x, the minimum is here. It looks like -1. So the minimum value of x for f of x is greater than the minimum value of x, the minimum x value of g of x. The minimum x value of f of x is greater than the minimum y value of g of x. So the minimum of x of f of x we see is -4, and the minimum of g of x is -25. Which one is greater? Greater is the minimum value of f of x. -4 is greater than -25. So this is a true statement. The value of x when f of x is at its minimum, so the value of x when f of x is at its minimum, that would be -4, is less than the value of g of x when g of x is at its minimum, and that would be 1. So -4 is less than 1. That's true. Both x-intercepts of g of x occur when x is greater than 0. So g of x is the one in the table. The x-intercepts are the places where y is equal to 0. So here's one x-intercept. And the other one is here. X is greater than 0. True in this case, but not true in this case. So this one is false. The line of symmetry of f of x is x equals 1. Well, a line of symmetry, that's where you could reflect something over its, like a mirror. The line of symmetry here is right here. This is the line of symmetry. And what is that value? -4. And it's asking, it's saying it's 1, not true.